Winterizing the barn, a guide to preparing for the cold. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that might be a bit unfamiliar to some: winterizing the barn. Whether you're an English language learner curious about diverse expressions or someone interested in agricultural practices, this video will shed light on what this phrase means and why it's important. Stay tuned as we explore the steps and considerations involved in preparing barns for the cold season. Winterizing the barn refers to the process of preparing a barn, which houses animals and stores feed and farming equipment, for winter. It involves a series of steps to ensure that the barn is safe, warm, and accessible during the cold months. This preparation helps protect animals from the cold, keeps feed and equipment safe from damage, and ensures that farm operations can continue smoothly, regardless of the weather conditions. Winterizing is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it protects livestock from the harsh winter conditions, providing them with a comfortable and safe environment. Secondly, it preserves feed and equipment from potential cold weather damage, such as freezing or moisture, which can lead to significant losses. Lastly, it helps maintain the efficiency of farm operations during winter, ensuring that daily tasks can be performed without major disruptions caused by the cold weather. Inspect and repair the structure. Check the barn for any cracks or holes in the walls or roof and repair them to prevent cold drafts. Ensure windows and doors close tightly and consider installing weather stripping to keep the warmth in. Improve insulation. Add or update insulation in the walls and ceiling to help keep the barn warmer without excessive heating costs. Use insulated curtains over doorways to keep cold air out when doors are frequently opened. Prepare water systems. Insulate pipes and install heated water troughs to prevent freezing, ensuring animals have access to water all winter. Organize and clean. Deep clean the barn to remove pests and diseases before they can become a problem in the enclosed space. Organize feed and equipment to prevent moisture damage and to keep the barn accessible. Winterizing the barn is a vital task for anyone involved in farming or livestock care, ensuring that animals are safe and comfortable and that operations can continue smoothly through the winter months. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of what winterizing the barn means and why it's so important. Remember, preparation is key to facing the challenges of winter. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.